There are 30 branches of anatomy. From there, these few are actual essential to know. Firstly, in gross or macroscopic anatomy, body structure and body parts are studied with the unaided or naked eye. Naked eye? Which type of powered video this is? I'm not gonna watch it. No. In gross anatomy, doctor examine body parts such as muscle, heart, brain, bladder, kidney, skeletal system, etc. with just help of eye. While its counterpart, in microscopic anatomy, anatomists examine and study tissue and cells of different parts of body with the help of microscope. From there, the name microscopic anatomy came. Micro means small, scope means to see, so it becomes the microscopic anatomy. It is also called a histology. Histo means tissue, logy means to study. So histology defined as study of tissue under the microscope. While gross or microscopic anatomy came from two words. Macro means big, scope means to see. Here we examine the skeletal system and organ. In that we do not require microscope. It can be examined just by eye. So we have clearly understood the difference between the macroscopic and microscopic anatomy. Wait a minute. What about the embryology, comparative and systemic anatomy? It will be covered in the next one. Like this video and subscribe for more.